Hi guys, Andy here from Car Key Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to do a battery change on a Citroen Peugeot key. This is the flip key which we found used for models starting from 2014 up until 2021 even. It was used mainly for Citroen Peugeot, but we also found it in a Vauxhall Vivaro, for example. So in order to change the battery on this particular key, you have to release the back case with the help of a small flathead screwdriver. What I've noticed, if you push just the corner here, if you push it gently, it releases the back cover and you get to the battery quite easy because it opens up. Once you've opened that, you have a small gap here which allows you to open the battery. We have a CR2032 battery. Once that is replaced, you will need to slide it back in with the positive side up. Okay. You have to align the case back together. Start from the front and make your way to the back. That's it. Your key is ready to go. Thank you very much for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel, and if you do have any questions, please leave us a comment below. Have a good day.